people would say if they don't know you, like, but that's you're saying that because you have a million followers and
Yeah.
it's so easy to understand all of that. But if somebody's in the beginning of their journey, because
Mm.
the essence of who you are, your why, people say that, but how have you come to that conclusion? How did you get there in understanding this is your why and therefore I will do this?
Because in the beginning, when I did it a few times and I got the feedback, I felt my calling. So I
Mm,
felt like, oh, this person really got it from my lesson. And they would say in the comments, I've seen hundreds of tutorials about this, and yours is the first one I understood. So I'm like, I got to keep doing this. I have something here. And it was just really obvious because I listened to my viewers. And I think if you're trying to find something in yourself, look to the people who are watching your videos. And so for me, even though I didn't have a lot of views necessarily in the beginning,
mhm.
I was always motivated to come back for that handful of people that was really getting it from my videos. So I think the audience feeds the creator and vice versa. I don't think it's a one-way street. And that's, I think, what a lot of people are making a mistake about. And I have
Mhm.
examples of that. And I know people who are like, I don't understand why I can't, I'm not successful and I'm trying to do this and I'm trying to do that. And maybe I should try this and maybe I should try that. They have the wrong, um, I think the wrong perspective of how to do it. Like, what do you want to share? What do you feel so excited about? What do you feel
Mm.
that you can help people with? And even if it's just by entertaining them, what is that drives you? That's the part that people have a trouble tapping into because they're trying to put the pieces together and pick the things from all the gurus saying do this and do that, and
Yes, yes.
they get lost. So it
Yes,
has to come
5
back to
videos a
you.
day and
Oh,
and do that on all the platforms
oh my,
or all of that stuff,
yeah, no thanks.